Huh?
You have to do it.
If there's not gold in the dirt, there's no gold. You can't get any. Don't be a jerk. I'm serious.
Hold on. Hold on. I gotta make sure.
And I'm telling you, I'm fine.
And I'm serious, Parker. Time to take you home.
Good luck.
Don't do that.
Parker fails to realize the biggest threat to his mining season might just be his mom.
What are you waiting for?
Don't you ever treat me like that.
What kind of crap are you talking about?
You know what
What's
I'm
I
talking
do?
about. First of all, you just act annoyed that I'm here.
Yogurt, baby.
Yeah.
Yogurt.
The sullings that happen. Will you stop swearing? You're really all the time and all this stuff.
I think so.
You don't think that I worry about you
Do
constantly?
you want one? Okay.
So we don't have to use one of the other ones.
Sure.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Does this sound good, my mommy?
I sound good, mommy.
We will not.
Oh, he's crying.
Are you? Hey! Hey! I can't get up. I'm stuck. Hey! Hi!
Surprise.
Did that scare you?
No.
Yes, it did. You jumped.